Hello, welcome back to Sunshine and Country. We've got a beautiful day here after all this rain we've had last few days. Plants are growing. Springtime's in the air. So today, just a quick DIY on screens here. If you have a screen in back porch, we have the screen here that's come loose. Normally most people would just staple the screen to the wood here, but if I'm thinking about re-staple it, it'll just, the screen being not a very strong material, will just come loose again, break off just like it did here. So the idea I'm going to use today is these metal straps, galvanized straps, to sandwich the screen, which gives it a lot more surface grab area here, and using stainless steel screws to just screw in a few spots on this galvanized tab here, and that puts pressure down on more area of the screen itself, and it'll help it be more secure for a longer period of time. So we're going to try this in several sections with this like this and see how it does. But I think it'll work out really well instead of the old staple method here that you can see it just peeled right out. It's probably been several years until this finally popped, but with the wind blowing back and forth, it'll easily rip through that screen material. But if you had this sandwiched down with good pressure with screws, it'll be a lot harder to rip through that material because there's more surface area that this is grabbing onto. Alright, so just a quick DIY method you can do. Once we get done, we'll show you the results. But just quick DIY. These aren't very expensive. Stainless steel screws aren't very expensive either, and it'll save it from stapling the heck out of this all the way down until you have no more screen left. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, we are done with our screen repair. As you can see, these galvanized straps here, and you don't have to go all the way down back to back. You can just do it in sections, or you can do it all the way back to back if you want. There's going to be gaps anyways, because unless you want to cut these with some kind of metal cutter. But all we did was use some stainless steel screws and 3 parts of the strap to keep these from the screen from coming undone, and it is working out super great. So easy, cheap DIY repair. So hopefully that'll help you out. Have a sunshiny day.